You are me, and I am you. As all is, we are interconnected. You cultivate the nature in yourself so that I will be beautiful. I transform the toxins in myself so that you do not have to suffer. I sustain you, and you sustain me. I am here to bring you solace, and you are here to bring me life.
Dear Diary, today was the day of my exhibition. I had finally found the perfect moment to bring myself to life. With the rainy season behind us, the humidity was at an ideal degree for my flourishing. As the wind had begun to die down, I could grow comfortably without getting wiped away. I was finally saturated with my compositions, a series of works of art that I'd spent days creating. It was time to share them with everyone, or so I'd hoped. I expected living beings, connections, associates from across the natural world, but still, no one came. After all, they all went to go and admire the flower show. It seems that everyone's against me. Everywhere I look, I see organisms working together and learning to live in symbiosis. Am I seen as a means rather than an end of my own? What makes me so different? Look at me, an artist, a painter. But what good is a painter if there's no one to admire his work? The world doesn't seem to understand me, instead preferring to marginalize my survival. Categorically separated from everyone else, I'm considered a parasite that spoils possessions or feeds off the dead. That doesn't even apply only to living things, as also elements actively seem to work against me. My existence is consistently threatened by the wind or the sun, slowing down my important progress throughout the world. Not to mention the most dangerous of them all, humans. Every day, everywhere they target me, attack me, and burn me. They're relentlessly spraying me with chemicals, wiping me away, and destroying my masterpieces. They're continuously demonstrating they don't want me anywhere near them, putting themselves at the top of the hierarchy, like they own the world. Who am I bothering in a kitchen cabinet, in a shower drain, or behind boxes in a garage? A consistent cycle of destruction. Well, not always. Sometimes they nurture me, feed me, and allow me to grow. However, it seems it's simply for their soul satisfaction and greater pleasure. This duality, it's exploitative. What if I didn't exist? Imagine being in a forest without me. The soil would be covered in fallen fruit and the corpses of animals, dead but never changing, waiting endlessly, almost aimlessly. Without decomposition, the soil would lack nutrients, the trees wouldn't grow, insects would lack habitats, larger species sustenance. Everything, slowly dying out. To make the world understand my art is an impossible task. This exhibition was meant to make them see things from a different perspective, see from my point of view, value all organisms around us for their purpose, understand, enjoy, appreciate, learn, grow, empathize. Look at me. Can't I be seen as a product of nature, just like the rest? It's my place to be the next logical step of progression in the cycle of life. I feed on the dead, to allow the continuation of life. Can't we all live in harmony with one another? Isn't that the greatest design? An interbeing? That's what I strive for, almost the whole point of my work. an expression of myself that coexists with the world. Look at me! I don't need recognition from anyone. I don't need approval. One can't see the whole picture. Neither can I. No one can. In any case, I'll live on. My art, my creations, they are the world's creation, just as much as they're creating the world. My art does something for the world, just as the presence of others does something for me.